Hello, Stucca. Hello, Pokemaster. Hello, everyone, one and all. Welcome to the last Lords of XCOM live stream. Not the last XCOM live stream, but the last Lords of XCOM live stream. Today marks the incredible conclusion of this story. My first ever XCOM Enemy Within playthrough. My first ever XCOM playthrough ever. I'm very happy that I actually beat this game on my first try. And I'm ready to finish this. It's been a lot of hype leading up to this. We have a volunteer, we have our objective, and we are 9 days away. We're 9 days away from victory. Or absolute crushing defeat from the ethereal temple ship. We don't know, so we're gonna find out. Alright. I believe this was where we last left off. Let's get this party started. See, I started the video without telling you guys because then you wouldn't yell exit me. Haha! Outwitted the chat. Almost. They caught me and I started laughing at the last second. It's me versus the chat. Who will win? Now, as you know, JST has declined to be the volunteer. So, Poetic Divides is gonna be our man. Let's take the side armor off of JST, and we're going to put this. We're going to go to the Gallop Chamber, and as you can see,
the alien device will not respond to attempted physical interaction. However, if we can find a soldier with strong enough
yes,
abilities,
blah blah blah,
we may be able to activate
blah
it.
blah 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 blah. We know this, and if we go over to Poetic Divides and give him the psi armor, it will push his will up to the threshold we need.
We've done it, Commander. Dr. Valen is confident that this soldier has the power to interact with the alien device. I recommend we get started immediately.
Okay. There's one problem. Poetic is... We had a little accident last mission, if you remember. No! So he's in the med bay for the next 9 days, which means we have to play the game for 9 days. Before that happens. Let's see if is he actually in the med bay, or are they just saying that? No, he's not in the med bay. It looks like Kyle and who is that lady? I think that's it's not Disturbed. That's, well, I don't know. I don't have time for these things. And what we need to do is we need to beef up our soldiers as much as possible. We don't have a council report for 16 days. We're not going to be doing that. So what can we do with $147? Well, there's a few things we can do. We can go to engineering. We can build some items. How much does an alloy cannon cost? Remember, this is like the final mission, so I don't want to waste anything. Alloy cannon, oh my god, it's $147. Oh boy. So, this brings us to an interesting thing. Episode 62. He killed you in episode 62. But let's see the foundry. Can we do improved pistols? We could do improved pistols. We could. Poetic needs maximum pistol whip power. Damn Skippy. Gravel is already set with his things. Let's try and make Bradford not suck, okay? Wait a minute. How long does this take? 4 days? It's good enough for me. Situation room. Visit the gray market. Let's see if we can get anything else out of here. Oh, awesome. Haha! See what I'm doing here? Alloy cannon. Here we come. Alloy cannon. Thank you very much. Let's pass by the days and let's have Poetic start recovering in the med bay. Poetic, just think. Think about what's going through your head. By the way, you know what you're coming to. You know what's gonna happen to you soon enough. Awesome. Ammo conservation project's complete. Got 9 alloys out of that too. Let's see if I can... We have enough. 20 alloys. Dang it! We're 1 alloy short. Awesome. Oh, hey, we got the 2 alloys we needed. And the pistol project's complete. Okay, assign new projects. Yes, foundry. More pistols. And how long is this one gonna take? What? Oh, it's 150 bucks? No! Alright, hang on. Situation room. Sorry guys, have to do a little bit of management. This is very important. I am determined to make Poetic Bradford not suck. Yeah, but that upgrade is only available if you take on a battleship. Oh, hello. Oh, Droid can't give you... Whoa! Whoa! $2,000? This is important, guys. $2,000 can get us so much. Okay, how much does it cost to build that many light plasma rifles? We have 3. Oh, we don't have the alloys for it. Oh, well, all good things. Guess we can't take the deal then. That's unfortunate. All right, just keep scanning for activity. Okay, here we go. Oh man, all right, the abduction sites.
We're receiving several urgent requests for assistance. There are abductions in progress at each marked site on the hologlobe.
Oh my god. Given the fact that we're so late into the game, I want the $200. That's gonna give us the equipment that we need, because we're not quite there on equipment. Like again, Growler didn't have his alloy cannon. We don't quite have enough plasma pistols to go around. I'd like to get a few more things squeezed into the foundry if possible. Little things like that. So let's go for the straight cash. Now, God Squad is gonna be rolling out for the final mission, which means all the guys that never got a shot in their missions are going on this one. Colonel Tombstone, you are squad leader. Where are you? Crimson Rocket Tombstone is gonna be our squad leader for this mission. G-Terra, you are gonna be our sniper. Where is G-Terra? Kyle the Bear is gonna be our mech. Maul is gonna be our support class. GP Gnome is gonna be our assault class. And Pizza Man is gonna be another assault class. Hooray! We have a pretty well-rounded team. Let's start editing it out their gear. Alright, Major Tombstone, are you ready to lead your... Seriously? You're saying be right back and your squad leader? Like, why? Well, okay, here we go. Alright guys, before we hit the final mission, I guess we're doing one more abduction mission. This is for all the lieutenants out there. Let's not wipe, guys, okay? Let's do this. Oh, you're terrible! You're terrible, Pokemaster!
We have visual on the mission site. Setting down.
Zai, take us down.
Brazilian authorities have requested our help, so that's where we're going next. Alien activity continues to surge within several major cities. Our response is crucial to minimizing the spread of panic.
This is Big Sky. Strike team has reached the AO. Requesting authorization to deploy.
Okay. Tombstone is a colonel. Lieutenant. Captain. Major. Oh man, it's gonna be interesting. Okay. GTR looks pretty safe from there. So what we're gonna do is now we're gonna throw a battle scanner out.
Balayage de la zone en cours.
Nothing. They must be inside the building. Seriously, there's nothing there? Alright.
Разберемся. Вижу интересную штуковину.
And that place is empty too. Alright. Let's overwatch and see if anything happens. We know this room is clear. Let's get Kyle in there. Oh. Well, I mean, you didn't have to break through the window. The door's right there, you know. Okay. Again, we do know that the area is pretty secure, so let's move around this way. And then we're gonna make a break in next turn. Or we should probably check out that area first. Let's go over there and check it out.
Position. Weapons free.
Oh, yep, there they are. Alright, now, is there a window there? There is no window there. But if they open that door, no one's gonna be flanked. That's a relief. Except the fact that Tombstone will. So, it'd be highly advisable. Tombstone might get flanked if we're not careful. So, let's think about this very logically and carefully. Who do we have left to shoot with? We have GP and we have Pizza Man, our two assault characters. Okay, we could use a running gun, but I feel like that would be unwise. Also, Maul isn't behind a car right now. Cars are not very good cover if you know your XCOM because they explode. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull Maul. Oh dear, they could be flanked if we're not careful with this. Let's pull him back further. Let's pull him back much further. Behind this car, which is considerably safer. And then we'll plan our attack from there. Kyle's gonna get hit. Tombstone might get hit. But if you can bring everybody up onto the roof, that might be smarter. And we will. Oh, we should bring the assault classes in here. Try and flank them from over on this side with the rest of the mechs. That would be a smart idea. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Cross our fingers. Going for Maul. Holy shit. Maul? 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 Tombstone!
Я в порядке.
Holy crap. They're both very badly injured. I mean, that's a serious wound. That is a very, very, very serious wound. Whoa, man. That's tough. That's a little tough. Alright, Pizza Man. Let's, Okay, Kyle? I have an idea. A crazy, crazy, beautiful idea. Kyle can punch this thing into a Oh, wait, no. No. I don't want to do that first. What I want to do. We're gonna have GP do a running gun here. And we're gonna catch all these guys by surprise. So, GP. I'm gonna take an alien grenade. Can I get these? I can get those two. And I can destroy that guy's cover. But that will still leave me open as a target. And I won't be able to heal, which is what I should really be doing with Maul. So, let's try something else. Let's try getting Tombstone a rocket. Which, that will be smarter. Look at that. You'll be able to destroy everything. I'm gonna try not to destroy the wall. Because I want to use that. I still want to have this fairly controlled. So let's do this. Kyle can punch one to death. And then Pizza Man and GP can take out the others. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, you guys ready? Let's do this.
Цель выбрана.
Yes! Alright, now, Tombstone is flanked still, so it's very important that we... Wait a minute, what? He has to be there. That has to be him.
Voy hacia ese lugar.
Yes. He's gonna take a hit, but that's okay. Jesus Christ.
Objeto alienígena visible. Iniciando sistema de corta distancia.
Whoa! Okay, G-Terra.
Je vais vers la position.
Yes, you can still hit something here. Three damage. Yeah. Go. Yes, Ionics. Yeah, G-Terra. Oh my god. That is so scary. Alright, now Pizza Man, you are wide open. But you do have... What if we got into this sweet spot right here where you can take free shots on both of them? Alright, let's see what GP Gnome can do. Because GP Gnome's our last bet for trying to kill this motherfucker. GP Gnome cannot do much without a running gun. So let's do that first.
Poursuivez-les.
This is ballsy. This is very, 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 very ballsy. Shoot! Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. No, no, no. No. Alright, Pizza Man, shoot this fucker.
Getting it done.
Free shot. Oh yeah, Pizza Man. And you get another shot. Shoot him! You missed?
Damn it.
Oh dear God. God help us. There's only one thing to do now. Maul?
Okay.
What? What do you mean you can't shoot? What do you mean you can't shoot? He's right there. He is right there. You can't see him? Are you serious? Which means that the only thing that we have to... Oh, this is gonna take some fine ass tuning. What? What? Oh, God damn it. Yes! Jesus Christ, that was scary. Okay. That was awesome. Oh, doggies. Oh, doggies. Oh, doggies. Oh my God. Oh. That is tricky business. Oh, baby. Let's not ever do that ever again. Okay. Oh, man. Alright, now. Griffin, Mr. G-Terra, you are going to... You're gonna stay put, actually. G-Terra can see a little bit of the alleyway. So, but we really can't see enough to make any smart decisions yet. So let's move Maul over here. There's no one that can take that. Let's get Tombstone over closer to the meld.
Выполняю.
Kicking down doors and shit.
Начинаю наблюдение.
We'll get the meld in the next turn. As for now, let's get everyone inside. Alright, our assaults are gonna have to start being assaults and doing their fucking jobs now. Oh yeah, don't hear Kyle. Kyle's got repair servos. He's repairing himself.
Look out there.
Yeah, get up.
C'était quoi ce bruit?
They're out there, guys.
J'ouvre l'œil, commandant.
Alright, Kyle's healed as far as his repair servos will go. Alright. Let's have G-Terra check out this area.
Je rejoins la position.
Nothing in the alley from what I can tell. Looks pretty dark. But we can't say for sure. There might be a pocket of guys in here. You don't know. So let's open this door. Nothing there? Pizza Man, what about your end? Nothing there. Alright.
Position confirmed. Moving out.
We only have one med pack left, so let's try to really not get hit. Yeah, they're in that building.
You hear that?
Oh!
Something over here.
Looks like they're gonna... Alright.
Vraiment n'importe.
Now this is where G-Terra's battle scanner really shines. Alright, let's open the doors. We're gonna give him one turn to...
Moving out. Covering now.
I'm pretty sure that area is clear.
D'accord.
Alright. With this area being clear, let's try and all stick together. So GP, you're actually gonna move back around here. And keep Kyle dispersion field in the middle of everyone. He's like a buddy for all. Okay. I'm concentrating very, very hard right now. I really like, after those elites, I'd like to not have anybody die this mission. We have some close calls. Nobody's in peak condition. Now G-Terra, you're gonna hold the overwatch for a little bit. You're our key man in taking out these snipers.
Scan en cours.
They're probably coming closer now. There they are! Alright, G-Terra, get them! Come on, G-Terra! Oh, you all missed. You guys all suck. And now he's gonna pay the price. Oh! Or you're gonna spit at him?
They're trying to flank us.
Oh dear. Whoa! Way over there? You serious, buddy? That is the weirdest seeker pattern I've ever seen. They don't do that usually, do they? I mean, I've only played the game once, but that's odd. Alright, G-Terra. Let's try and make this count, right? Make it count. Make it count, buddy. Make it count. Make it count. Yeah, G-Terra! That boy! That is my sniper man! Alright, now the rest of you guys. Pizza Man, go up there and grab that meld.
Got the goods.
Now shoot that seeker. Nope! But man, that alloy shot looked pretty sick. Alright, come on. There we go! Much better. Okay. Now that annoying problem is taken care of, let's keep moving forward, shall we? Why would you grapple up there? Alright, GTR, you're gonna play Spider-Man. Or Batman, I guess. Playing Batman. And you're gonna do it again. Because you're awesome. I'm Batman. Okay. Maul, you're gonna go up there and you're gonna reload your gun. Everybody reload this turn.
Good to go.
That sounds like a Mechtoid. Oh, you opened the door! Oh, yep, it's a Mechtoid. And a commander. Alright, this shouldn't be too difficult. Considering we've dealt with these guys before, not gonna be a problem. Alright, he's on Overwatch. Do we have anyone with lightning reflexes? GP, I think you might. GP. Come on, get GP. GP. Okay. Let's look at your stats. GP. You do have lightning reflexes. Excellent. Which means you are gonna get in there and dodge that Overwatch. Run! Dodging the Overwatch, baby, like a boss. And then you're gonna get the fuck out of there because I ain't making you go. I ain't making you get that close. But first, before you do that, we're gonna see if we can use your powers to kill all these guys in one single turn. Now, Pizza Man, I know that you got rapid fire, and I've been Poetic and Mr. Bradford's been telling me that I need to start using this more. So you're gonna take 2 shots on the Mechtoid. Nice. And you missed. Well, you can't all be winners. Alright, Tombstone. I know you have another rocket in there, right, buddy? This might be the last of them. Kyle, why can't I select Kyle? I could punch the Mechtoid. I could punch the mech. That'd be awesome. I think I'm gonna do that. Let's punch him. I can't. Alright, hang on a second. G-Terra, then select Kyle. Then, there we go. There we go. Okay, now. Where do I want to punch him from? I think I'm going to punch him from right here. Oh, how I love a good punch. You guys ready for this? You guys ready for this? Yeah! Oh, he goes and left punch. Oh, he's out for the count. 1, 2, 9, 10. Cow! Oh my god! So good, so good. All right, and now, GP, I think that this would be a great time for you to try and use your. Oh no psychic abilities, no sir. Let's try. Actually, let's use Flush. Force into a new position. I've never used this ability before. Let's give it a shot. We still have what we got. Tombstone. We have Tombstone and Maul. We should be able to take out this commander with some smart tactics. So if we force him to run out of cover, and then we bring Tombstone in for a kill, that should be good. All right, Flush. All right, we got 3, and now he is flanked. Hard. Look at him wide open there. All right, let's bring Tombstone in and finish the job. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Almost. That's not good. Alright, G-Terra. We're gonna need all the help we can get on this one. Hydro Mind Fray abilities on him. Not very good. Alright. Laser pistol does up to 3 damage. I'll take it. Come on, buddy. Nicely done. Oh, we got a crit-ish. Sort of. Not quite. Alright, Maul, I need you to pull some magic, buddy. Need you to pull some magic. Come on. Make this work for me. I can't afford another miss. Oh no. Somebody could die. Somebody could die. Alright, let's see what happens. He's gonna shoot someone. Oh, he's not. Mind control failed on No, not on G-Terra, on Tombstone. Tombstone, you resisted a mind control. Nice. The force is strong with this one. Yes, yes it is. Alright, since you resisted the mind control, would you like to do the honors? I think you would. Well done. Well done.
Another successful operation.
Well done, Tombstone. I don't exactly know what you were doing there, but okay. Irvin was the worst. Okay. Good job, guys. Way to be a really successful team when the... Oh, shit. What the hell?
Our troops are making it
Oh,
look
wow.
easy out there. Let's hope they don't get too cocky.
Yeah, no kidding, right? Oh my god, Carl's a colonel! Yeah! Absorption fields are reactive targeting sensors. Oh wait, no, definitely absorption fields. Oh my gosh, you're Colonel Kyle! Nice! Alright, now G-Terra, you are gonna be... Actually, you're gonna be a science inspirational. Your will's not that high, so we're gonna make you a side inspiration. And Pizza Man. Extra conditioning, you're now a tank! Nice, buddy. Alright, you guys all did a fantastic job, and I'm very, very happy that you guys are all here. Okay. Alright.
We will be in touch, Commander.
Indeed, and now we have another $200 to buy a little bit more gear for our troops. Build facility. Well, we're not gonna build facilities. Why would we ever build facilities at this time? Well, there's one thing I would think about upgrading Kyle, but I'm not gonna bring Kyle on the final mission. And there's one thing that I need to do. I'm just gonna use Stucco as an example. I know that. No, Mind Shield is no. Secondary Heart, huh? Poetic. You said that your will debuff can be removed with Secondary Heart, correct? Let me know if I can reverse that, or if it's permanent because you already took damage. In the meantime, I'm gonna save that money until we actually need it.
Commander, our satellite is prepped and standing by for launch. We are ready to deploy it on your orders.
Okay, China, all of Asia's in a pretty bad state of panic, but we should be okay. Unless something else comes up in the next... How long until Poetic's out? 3 days. 3 days. We have 3 days. Please have nothing happen in the next 3 days. Oh, doggies. There he is! He's out! Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? There you are. Okay. Okay. Unless you get second, there is no other heal. You will have a permanent will debuff. Alright, you're going in the Gmod Bay then. Another 3 days, but it's worth it. 2 HP per turn up to HP max without armor. Confers plus 20 will when converting immune to panic. If soldiers mind controlled. It's a lot of meld. 12 days? No, sir! No, I was thinking of something else, actually. Secondary Heart. And... Not bioelectric skin, that's stupid. I'm only doing that for, yeah, that would be good. Six days? I think it's worth 6 days. Let's do this.
Thank you, Commander. I'll have the volunteer prepped and ready for surgery shortly. I'll send word when the procedure is complete.
Alright. More than a little nervous about this. This is longer than I expected to go.
Implanting a second heart will allow a critically wounded soldier to survive longer without medical assistance.
Thank you. No missions, no missions, no missions. Yes!
The gland will allow the brain to detect mental trauma and smooth out the agitation. It can even paralyze the soldier if mental control is lost.
You guys think the super legs would be awesome? Holy crap, the council ports in a day? Oh my god! Launch the satellites. China. 2 available. Yeah, that makes sense.
Satellite launched. Satellite uplink facilities at maximum capacity. Additional uplink required. Incoming transmission.
We are extremely impressed with the progress
Awesome.
of the XCOM project thus far, Commander. Your recent results were beyond our expectations. And that is not a
Poetic,
statement
it's your
this
call
council
on whether
makes
you
lightly.
want any more G modifications for yourself,
We will
or
be watching.
if we are ready to go into the... We're ready to enter the Golf Chamber. It is up to you. It is your call. No, you're good? No, random guy. Patience. Patience with that, okay? Oh, whoops. Alright, barracks, soldiers, poetic divides. Okay. You have neural damping, boost to will, depth perception, and secondary heart. You have your loss of will restored to you, and you have 105 aim. Hot damn. Okay. Gunslinger, battle scanner, opportunist. Snapshot. Headshot. I'll be giving you squad sight. Very strange. Okay. Now I guess it's okay. Guys, are we ready to go? I'm a little nervous about this. The cutscene doesn't corrupt. Don't worry, even if the cutscene does corrupt, I have a backup plan for that. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna be taking a quick break for about 5 minutes. When the screen, and we're gonna go to the taking a break screen. When the screen goes black, that's when we're back. Pay attention. Alright guys, I'll see you very soon. Next episode, we go on our final mission. You guys all have a great night, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.